Hey babies, I'm back and I'm going to tell you the quote of the day, which is be humble. That's it, a simple word. Be humble. No matter what, no matter where you get in life, be humble. And also, stay positive. Be positive all the time. Have a positive mindset. Wake up with a positive mindset because it's all in the mind. If you think positive, you will receive positive. Okay? Now today is a different video. Today I'm gonna be talking about a serious topic, which is suicide. And while doing that, I'm not gonna do my makeup or no get ready with me because I wanted to actually pay attention and give you guys the full story, my story, what happened to me. But so it's a different video, and I'm gonna be eating some Popeyes because it's a mukbang. Fruit punch. Okay, anyways, let's get right into it. No more talking. Okay, I got me a chicken sandwich because I don't like Popeyes, but because KFC is better than Popeyes. Don't come at me, but I don't know. But it was just because I had a bad experience with Popeyes, but I only like the chicken sandwich. So let's start. Let's start. Girl, I have not eaten junk food or Popeyes in like I don't know how long. And then I got me some fries. Ooh, they're good. Okay, Popeyes. I see you. Okay, let's get right into it. And my water to stay hydrated, cause stay hydrated. Let's start. So this story goes way back to middle school. I is 61. 7th grade, I remember. 7th grade, I think it was 7th grade. I remember it was 7th grade. And if not, then 8th grade. But it was middle school. And it was a really bad, I had a bad year. Like, middle school was just not, it was not for me. It was not my best year. Sorry. It was not my best year. I didn't like it. I didn't like those years. So I'm gonna tell you guys what I remember. And if you guys want to know more in depth, because I wrote about it for my college essay, I'll be posting it on Instagram. Follow me if you're not following me. Follow me on Snapchat if you're not following me. I'm gonna be on Snapchat and Instagram this whole week, but after I'm taking it down for a few, because I'm trying to have my alone time, and like go out more and like explore more and just be with, like, surround myself with nature. So yeah, that's that. But still, follow me, because in that amount of time I'm gonna be taking some pictures, some cute looking ass pictures, and stay tuned. But okay, middle school, yeah, it was just not my times, and I was going through it. Like, I remember I was going through it. I was missing my dad a lot in those times. I think that was the time when he passed away. I'm not sure. Probably, yeah. I think he did pass away in those times. Yeah. And so that hit, and then just the fact that I wasn't able to talk to him. I wasn't able to talk to him like he wanted to, and like I regretted that. So yeah, that's that. And then school, like I didn't like it. Like I don't know, I just didn't feel like I fit in or like I was myself. I just felt like I had to change myself to fit in. Like that's how middle school was. And I was just going through it. And so I don't know what happened that time, that day, that I was just like, you know what? I'm gonna just go to the bathroom. I was crying. I know I was crying. I was in pain. I was sad. I was literally sad. So I went to the bathroom and I started crying. And I'm just like, what can I do to stop feeling this hurt and this pain? So I was like, let me cut myself. Like my mind said in the moment, let me cut myself. And so I did. I don't know if I asked my uncle or I don't know who did I ask to if I could get like a sharp thing. Like I don't know if it was, I don't know what it was, but it was sharp. And I was just like, and they thought I was like doing it like, well, my uncle thought I was like doing it to sharpen my pencil or something. I think it was for the sharpener, whatever. And then I started, and then I just did it. I was there. I was like, I just don't want to feel like this. Like I just don't want to be here. I don't want to feel this hurt or feel empty and feel like I'm alone anymore. Like I'm tired of feeling like this. Like I just don't feel like I fit in, or like I just didn't feel like I fit in or like I was good enough. And so that's why I did that. And then I was just like, you know what, let me cut myself. And I did. I put the sharp thing, did it though. And
Here.
I didn't went too deep in. I just did like small of it. And yeah, I started bleeding. And then I just remember it didn't even like help. I was just like, what am I, when it happened and I did it, it was like 3 of cuts. And I was just like, I don't, it doesn't feel right. And I don't feel like I'm good. And like, this did not help me at all. Like, I still feel empty. I still feel lost. Like, I just injured myself. I just hurt myself. And like, why did I think this was a good idea? Like, and so I stopped and I didn't. And then I went to my room. And then my dumbass, I'm dumb, you know. I didn't want my mom to find out, obviously, and my brothers, because I don't know. I just didn't want them to like be like, "Are you crazy? Like, do you have a problem?" You know. And then my dumbass, I go like this, like I go back, I pretend I'm good. I'm on my phone, and then I just stretch my arms like that. And then my mom sees it and she's like, what do you have in your arm? And I was like, nothing. And then she's like, what do you have in your arm? I was like, nothing. And then I was like, nothing, it's nothing. And then I had to show it to her, and she saw it. She's like, no, I saw it, the cut. And I was like, and then she found out, and then she got mad, and she was like, what have I not done for you that you do this? Like, what's going on? And until this day, like, I never told them or told my brothers why I did it. I'm not gonna cry. And they're gonna obviously see this video, like my brothers. So yeah, that's how I was feeling those times. I'm not gonna cry. Okay, I'm not gonna cry. mama ain't raised. No, I'm kidding. No, I'm not gonna cry. So yeah. And I don't know, just that Jenny, that girl that was doing that. No, I'm not crying, okay? I'm not crying. That girl that did that, she just lost. She was just lost, and and sorry if I'm crying. I mean, not sorry. I deserve to cry. No, but that Jenny, she was just lost, and most of a part of the reason why she was like that was because she didn't grow up with a dad. And even until now, like, until now, I think, and I know that because I didn't grow like that, I have traumas, and I find ways to feel love by a male, which shouldn't be like that. And I've been learning that, you know. I've been learning that, like, I don't need to be looking for that male love from nobody. That I just need myself, and I need to love myself for me, and not find love anywhere. To just love myself and find love in myself, in myself. So, yeah. So yeah, that's my story. Like, that's how I felt in middle school. But after middle school, like, high school changed. It always changed. High school, I felt more good. Like, high school was best 4 years of my life. Definitely. And I was open up to more things, and I opened myself a lot. And I do, and that's why I open myself, because, like, I know how cruel this world could be, and I know how people could make others feel, and I know how mentally and emotionally people can be drained and could just think negative, you know, think like that. And that's why I always been so positive and so energetic and so loving and so caring to people, because it's like, I don't want to ever make anybody feel like they don't belong here or they don't deserve to be here, because they do. You know, everybody has a purpose in this world. And that's one thing I don't like. I don't like when others treat others bad. Like, it's just, you don't know what people go through. You don't know what they wake up in the morning. Maybe they had heard news, bad news, or maybe they just woke up having a bad day. But we don't know what people go through, and that's why it's good to be positive and motivate people and speak to them nice. Like, promise, I'm not mean. It takes a lot to get that Jenny to come out, but I'm not mean, or I don't, like, I don't have a bad heart. Like, I just can never, I don't want to ever be like that. and I'm speaking and saying this story. I'm here not eating my food. Hold up, let me take a bite. Because this is already getting cold. Mm-hmm. It's good. Favorite part about this is that it has pickles. I love pickles. Okay. Let me get back to it. The reason I'm saying this story and I'm talking about it because I'm very open, and because not only that, I just hope I help somebody, you know, that is in the mindset with everything going on, because I know there's people that go through it and things like that, and yeah, like I just wanna be open about the topic and how we shouldn't judge others or treat others bad, negatively. That's a new word. Put that in your dictionary. Negative, negatively. What the fuck? Alright, anyways, negatively, whatever. Yeah, like you shouldn't speak negatively on nobody. And just, so, like, one thing, support people. Support them, motivate them, encourage them, and be there for them. Obviously, to an extent, because you know there's some people that just be with bad energy and so negative and talk bad about you and desire bad on you. So get away from those people. But you know, those people that are nice to you and respectful to you, you know, life is full of negative, and that you're never gonna make it, and that you're never gonna get through it, and that you're always gonna feel that pain, because it's not like that. Like I said, it's all in the mind mentality. You wake up positive, you're gonna be positive, you're gonna stay positive, you're gonna receive positive things. It's all of it. You think you need to think about what you want, things you want, dedicate your time to it. Be consistent on what you want. But I promise to you, you'll get through it. There's gonna be a little bumps in life, but you'll get through it. I promise you. Promise you, you will get through it. And if you need support, and if you need a little like motivation and talk, and someone to talk to, I'm here. I'll be answering you. Like, just don't think you're alone, because you're not. And there's a lot of people that go through similar or different things, but still feel the way you do. So don't ever think you're alone, because you're not alone. And surround yourself with people that love you and like are actually there for you no matter what. But yeah, guys, that's my story. I want to know your story. If you want to tell me privately, you could. If not, then you don't have to. But I hope this reaches out to somebody and helps them in some way, because like there's a lot of people that in these times, especially, that we don't socialize or not able to go to places where there's people and make and communicate and make connections, that have feel like they can talk and be open about a topic, any topic. But there's definitely people that you could talk to. I know I'm here, and you guys should know that. To my friends watching, to anybody else watching, any new subscribers watching, anybody in the world watching, just know that you're not alone, and like I'm here. I'll I won't take that pain away from you, whatever pain you're going through, but I'll be there motivating you, guiding you, because it sucks, you know. It sucks to be in a place where you just feel like you won't make it, or you not make it, like make it in life, but make it like get through the hurt and get through the pain. But you will. It gets better. I promise it does. It will get better. It's temporary. Pain is temporary. Everything is temporary. So don't think that you'll be stuck on that, because you won't. You'll get through it. I should talk like this more, you know? I like it. It's therapeutic. But that's life, guys. I did more talking than eating, but it's alright. It's all good. One thing I'm gonna say. Wait, let me drink my water. One thing I'm gonna say is that boy and girls, be yourself, be original, and be yourself. Stop being in that mentality. If any middle schooler is watching, high school, anybody, I know my cousin me watching, and she's 10. If you're watching, girl, but overall, anybody that's watching, if you are yourself, you'll feel so much better. Be yourself and don't change for no one. Don't fit in. Don't change anything about you to fit in, or have group friends or whatever all of that is. Cause no, stop living in that mentality that if you change, if you do more of what you do in life in general, if you act like people, if you overthink or think that you're supposed to do certain things to fit in society or be with people around you, It's not like that. Stop being in that mentality, because it's not like that. Be your own person, be yourself, because that is going to kill you. I promise it will. Don't be like anybody else. Be yourself. Be yourself. And then for anybody that's hating, let me know. No, I'm kidding. I don't fight anymore. I'm kidding. I need to tell you guys about my first fight, which was so bad, but next story time. No, but yeah, if anybody's judging you or doesn't like how you are and how original you could be and how confident and how a boss bad guy, not bad guy, but you know, a boss guy you could be, then they gotta go. They gotta go. Like, be yourself. Be that queen or king that you know you are able to be. Okay? Be yourself and don't change for nobody. Don't things ever change for nobody. Will keep you happy. Whatever it is. Whatever it is. Like, and get away from those negative people. And if you can't, and they're like, you know, if you can't get away from those negative people because you can't, like family members or like siblings or like you know, cousins or whatever, then ignore them. But just stick to the plan and stick to yourself, because you will make it. Okay? But that's all the tea. That's my story. That's my advice to you guys. That's me speaking on what I went through. I hope you guys learned something from this and got something from this. But I hope you guys learned something from this, and thank you for watching. Thank you for your attention. Thank you for supporting me and watching my videos. I love you babies so much, and stay tuned for upcoming videos. Follow me on Instagram, because I'm gonna be posting pictures. Follow me on Snapchat. I don't be there a lot, but yeah, stay tuned. More videos coming up, and I love you guys.